Hi there, my dear parents and pupils. This is Teacher Yam, and today I'm going to share to you something about our subject ICT in grade 5. So you might wonder, what is that GP all about? That's what we are expected to do for the rest of the year. We are going to make use of this software. And what is this all about? The ICT Education for Special Science class in grade 5. This is all about the use of electronic spreadsheets. So the entire school year, you will be expected to at least learn the basic knowledge in the use of such a software. And with that, I am going to show you the different lessons that we will be tackling for the entire year. So to start with, year. So for the first quarter, as you can see, you have there the history of the spreadsheet. Then we'll be knowing spreadsheet software. Then we'll be customizing ribbons. For the second quarter, you're expected to learn about data encoding and data type. We will be learning on formatting skills, the use of rows and columns, and how to delete cells, resizing rows and columns in Weave. Then on quarter 3, you will be learning on certain formulas, basic functions in Excel. For the last quarter, you are expected to insert tables and charts. So I am telling you, my dear parents, it would be really hard for us to stick with the modules because the lessons and the activities that they are giving, the writers are giving, are patterned or based on the times now we still have face-to-face classes. So it is expected of us to tinker or make use of the units. Then my concern, as per survey results that I conducted last week, only a few of you have the units that you could possibly use for the doing of the different activities. So let's proceed to the next. The image shows the result on the survey I conducted on the internet connection and gadgets. So for the grade 5 gold, you are 31 in the class. Only 10 to have LAN or wired connection, and the rest data only. So in there, only 6 try to cast their votes on data use. So 8, 10 and 6, we have 16 people only who casted their votes, and you are 31. So it is expected nga katong the rest who didn't cast their votes, so naaragid to sila sa module naka-rely. Then for the gadgets, you only have cell phone. Most of you only have cell phone at home. Only a few do have laptops, and only one has a desktop. Okay, for grade 5 silver, out of 34 in the class, 11 said that they are only connected via data only. Then there were 10 people who casted for LAN or wired connection. So ang uban, meaning wala man sila naka-vote ani, or wala man sila nakakast sa ilang vote, meaning nagsaligrid pa rin taon sila sa modules. Then for the gadgets, majority of you only have the cell phone. And then my concern is the activities are patterned with the use of the actual units, the computer units. So how are we going to cater this one? So my idea is that I am going to give video recordings to support the learnings, to support you in learning the module. videos. And then, can I request for you to download Excel, Excel app via App Store so that we can make certain activities with the use of such application. So I am going to show you the app that I would want you to download on the App Store if it's okay with you, my dear parents and pupils. Okay, this is how it goes. So first step, you go to the Play Store. I know that most of you are already having Android phones, so familiar na kayo ninyo ang Play Store. So you go to Play Store, then on the search bar, you type in there Microsoft Excel. Wala ko nag-advertise any Microsoft Excel. This is the only way yun. This is the closest app that we can make use of para lang yun na atay mahimo ng mga activities. Then you have to install that one in your cell phone, and then once you have successfully installed the app, muni ang magawa sa inyuhang inyuhang display the Excel icon. So that's number 3. And then once you open that one, number 4, you will see how the interface will look like. So na din hay rows and columns which will help us to do certain tasks. Okay? Okay, so si ma'am nag-show na end of academic quarter 1. Wala pa ba siya nakahatag? Well, don't you worry because this coming Friday you will be receiving the first set of modules that contains 4 lessons. Teacher, kadaghan ana. Ayaw kabalaka kay mga mugbo raman to siya mga ma'am and sir. Mga dudong ug mga inday mugbo ra gito siya ang kadalason. Ang ako lang din ikawarihan is ang activity. So I hope that all of you can download the app that I am telling you for us to do certain tasks via phone lang, bahalag phone lang. But then we will also I'm going to share to you mga tutorials lang po or lessons on how to make use of the Excel or the spreadsheet via desktop. So we will be learning the use of Excel via desktop or laptop or computer units. Then we will also be learning much more on the use of spreadsheets via cell phone kay more man gyud pinaka-available na to nga gadget. So end of academic quarter 1, that is on November 12, 2021. So makaya rin nato. Okay? By the way, ako din i-plug diri ang atong diagnostic test which some of you were able to answer via quizzes. So these are some of the students were able to make it via quizzes, but for those who were not able to join in the diagnostic test via quizzes, you will have your copy this coming Friday. Okay? So thank you so much, and mag-wait ko if you have certain comments. You will have your comments good for this video that I am recording right now. So ang ako alang, okay ba mo nga kuan lang ta? I cannot let you kuan nun good. I know that most of the parents are working and mauusad ko nga kanang mutawag ninyo via online para lang makaklase gid sa mga bata niya. Ang uban dili pod, so I'll have it asynchronous. So I'll make video recordings. You will be watching it, and then you're going to perform the task that is expected of you. Okay? Okay, so for the outputs and grading system, for the outputs, I'll be asking you photos. So these photos will be sent via Google Form. I'll be providing you one in the near future, in the coming days. Then for the videos, I'll be requesting you to upload lang sa ang group chat para dili ra pud nako makit-an kay kung inyuha siyang i-personal og send sa ako puhon matagbo ko og scroll so may na sa group chat kay naman na siya marag sanoy mura siya receptacle ba masave dito tanang file niya ako ra nang makita. Then for the grading system, 40% will be taken from the written tasks. So via the modules that you will be answering, then I will be also administering quizzes via Google Forms or quizzes app, and or I'll be providing printed kanang test lang pod para lang pod sa uban depende atong tan-awon og kinsay makakaya lang si makaya sa majority nga kanang wala pod madihado. Okay, so maura to siya. Grading system 40-60, 40 for the written tasks, 60 for the performance tasks. Okay, as to online meetings, we will see if we could meet at least once a month, twice a month. So we will agree on that. Okay, so that will be all. If you have concerns, kindly comment down on this video or you can message me. Okay, so stay safe. Thank you so much and God bless us all.